Hello, friends. Thank you for coming. Today would be a little bit more different presentations that I'm usually giving. It would be short and fun. Like it would be no technical heavy details. So yeah, I'm Pshenichny from Lido. You probably know me. And today I'm going to show you how to deploy Lido V3 stVaults. And let's start with the current version of protocol, Lido. So actually it's a Lido V2 or like a current version of protocol. And you can see staker can stake 10F or whatever he wants, yeah, to the shared pool, get some stETH in return. This effort would be delegated to some node operators. And this stETH would accrue some rewards just in the wallet if node operator is doing good. And what's cool about stETH is that it's like a very liquid token, because like we have, you actually have two ways to withdraw it back to Ether. It's anytime through withdrawal queue. It's in protocol way, but you need to wait some time, probably for 1 to 6 days. And you can do it like using DEXs, so trade on an open market, instant, but like with market rates, but almost one-to-one all the time. And the thing that as staking market evolves, stakers looking for custom staking setups. So like imagine if some staker wants a private restaking jacuzzi or institutional grade Olympic swimming pool. That's not quite possible with the current shared pool model. So basically I outlined 4 most important things where stakers seeking for customization. It's choosing specific node operators, or you need isolated position, for example, if you're insti and you want a very compliant way to stake, or fee structure, because in shared pool it's predefined, or you want a customizable sidecars, restaking, custom MEV policy, whatever. And they want all of that while still maintaining access to this magical stETH liquidity, when you can trade on a DEX or even use withdrawal queue. And this is actually, all this problem is shaped Lido V3. I mean, all this consideration shaped Lido V3, which going to expand Ethereum staking infrastructure with stVaults. Important to mention that Lido V3 wouldn't be only about stVaults. It would be also, it's like a superset of current version of protocol, which now we call in core pool, and new primitive that allowing to build customizable, non-custodial, permissionless staking position, where you can mint staked effort against this staking position as a collateral. But withdrawals or withdrawal queue mechanism, it's still available only through core pool. So yeah, now it's 2 ways to mint stETH. And let's take a look on stVaults a little bit closer. What's important to understand that it may be many stVaults. I mean, in protocol, for sure, it would be a lot of stVaults. But even for one stake, it might be many stVaults. For sure, for node operator, it might be many stVaults. And yeah, 3 important facts that you need to understand about stVault: that each stVault represents the latest staking position, and hence it might be a smart contract. So staker, it might be EOI, external government account, or it might be smart contract. And it's how modularity can play with all the setups. So you can actually compose compound, not compound, but actually compose several stVaults into one position, governed or operated by one smart contract. Second, that minting of stETH is optional, so you can just use it as a delegated staking. But for sure, in that case, your position would be illiquid, so it would be staked. You need to unstake to actually get your F back. And number 3, it's only portion of this stVault position can be used as a collateral to mint stETH. And it would be some reminder that always would be a reserve. And Yeah, let's double click into that. Why? So it's actually why the mint ratio is less than 1:1. So why it's not like allow people to mint everything. Let's take a look on a picture. So it's top row, it's like amount of capital in a stVault. You can see that you can use only part of your stVault effort to lock as a collateral, and like other part is like you can do whatever you want. It's like withdraw or like stake, whatever. So let's focus on this one. You can mint some stETH against the locked collateral, and it's there is a safety reserve out there, and it needs to protect stETH holders from any losses that might happen because of slashing or because of like poor performance or whatever in stVaults. So if reserve ratio, for example, is 20%, then you can mint 80 staked Ether out of 100 F locked as a collateral. Let's talk about demo. Meet Giraffe. Giraffe, it's a small home staker, born to validate on CSM, but looking for Lido V3 stVaults. So he has DApp node and 32 efforts, and want to run some Giraffe confirmation sidecar and still have an access to liquidity. Probably want to put an Aave or like a Gearbox or like, I don't know, put in Symbiotics or whatever. Action plan would be like that. Giraffe needs to deploy stVault, fund it with some Ether, log this Ether into stVault, so actually lock to use as a collateral, and after that mint some stETH, and after that do whatever Giraffe wants to do with this stETH. And it's hoodie time. Let me open my browser. So it's Lido V3. I don't know, maybe I need to do it a little bit bigger. Just let's go down. Yeah, because like testnet is leaf, I want to show you how to get there. The guides, stVaults. We have actually UI for that to operate votes, and also command line interface. Today we would use like UI just because, yeah, I mean like we don't have time for CLI. Yeah, sorry, it's like another account. Yeah, Giraffe, connect. Yeah, you can see like Giraffe has 0 volts. Let's create new one. What we need to do, we need to set up node operator the same address as a vault manager and a node operator manager, because it's like single engine. In our case, because vault is actually created to be like a smart contract that helps coordinate staker and operators. In our case, it's the same guy, like little Giraffe. Giraffe wanted tax himself, so 0 fee, continue, and like let's create vault. By default, vaults created with like 1 Ether being supplied into it. Yeah, let's wait for a while. So it's on hoodie, it would be fast. Yeah, like it's our crypto UX. It's like we need to improve it probably. So yeah, it's done. Let's go to vault. Yeah, I mean like you can see like now in my vaults, like vault, it's like 1 Ether and reserve ratio 20%. Nice. Let's top up with 31 Ether to being able to run 1 validator, to spawn 1 validator out of it. We actually wouldn't do this like deposit transaction to actually deposit contract because we don't have time, but the GZ Giraffe can generate some deposit data, put up with the CLI tool, put up this data to this vault contracts, and after that trigger deposit. Wait for a while, and after that validator would be activated and everything would be set up. So now we have 32 Ether. nice. Let's mint some stETH. Let's mint 20 stETH for current address. So yeah, for sure, like right now, for the demo purpose, we are not waiting for this effort actually would land consensus layer and turn into validators and start actually generate some rewards. But yeah, I mean, like nice things that you could do it asynchronously. You can just already mint some stETH while your like validators are pending mode. So yeah, now it's cool. We have like 32F in vault, 25 locked, and we have like 20 staked effort being minted. Yeah, and like thanks rounding error of staking effort token. And you can see that, yeah, we have like 90.999. So yeah, Giraffe is happy. So yeah, we're done. And you can use this QR code to join our testnet. It's actually like one of like on our landing page. We have like this testnet section with all like documentation and materials. Also like with Discord, link to Discord. So you can ask questions, whatever. And we expect Lido V3 somewhere like in October 2025. And that's it. Yeah, just if you have any questions, like feel free to ask.
No, we don't have time. If
we don't have. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
sorry.
You can ask me questions like
yeah, outside the
there.
room.
Yeah, outside.
Perfect.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.